Are you ready to discover the secrets of utilizing ChatGPT for writing and marketing ebooks and start earning the passive income you deserve? Hey there, and welcome to this informative video where you'll unearth the secrets of earning money through the ingenious utilization of ChatGPT for writing and marketing ebooks. In case you're new to the world of ChatGPT, it's an exceptional AI chatbot that possesses the remarkable ability to produce top-notch written content against a plethora of other functions. But have you ever pondered over the prospect of ChatGPT being your gateway to lucrative online earnings? The key lies in tapping into its potential as a means to craft captivating ebooks that can be sold via leading platforms such as Amazon, Kindle, or your personal website. The cherry on top? The grueling task of creating the ebook is a one-time ordeal, and from there on out, it's smooth sailing toward a steady inflow of passive income. Now, are you curious about how to employ ChatGPT to effortlessly create an ebook? Believe it or not, the process is far simpler than you may anticipate. A high-quality ebook can be concocted in just 5 minutes. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Ideation for your ebook. The initial step in creating an ebook involves brainstorming an idea. This is where ChatGPT comes into play, acting as your reliable ally. By soliciting ChatGPT to suggest popular nonfiction book categories, you can gauge what topics pique the interest of the masses. For instance, asking ChatGPT what are the trending categories for nonfiction books will provide you with an array of options such as businesses, self-help, history, science, and technology, to name a few. This information can aid in narrowing down your topic and crafting an ebook that caters to the current demand. Step 2. Content creation with ChatGPT. After you successfully ideated a topic for your ebook, the next step is generating content. This is where ChatGPT truly shines, as it can produce high-quality text with unparalleled ease. All that's required from you is to provide a topic or prompt, and ChatGPT takes care of the rest. Let's consider an example to better comprehend this process. Let's say you aspire to write an ebook on productivity. With ChatGPT at your disposal, you can ask it a prompt such as, "Can you provide me with tips on enhancing productivity?" In no time, ChatGPT will present you with a comprehensive list of tips that can be seamlessly incorporated into your ebook. The beauty of using ChatGPT for content creation is that it alleviates the pressure of writing every word by yourself. ChatGPT delivers exceptional content that's both engaging and well-informed, providing you with a quality ebook that will captivate your readers. Step 3. Editing and refining your ebook. Once ChatGPT has generated content for your ebook, it's time to refine and edit it. While ChatGPT produces high-quality text, it's essential to go through the content and make necessary edits to ensure that it aligns with your vision and style. In this step, you can add your unique touch to the content and tweak it according to your preference. You can also structure the ebook, incorporate images or graphs to enhance the visual appeal, and optimize it for search engines. Step 4. Design your ebook. Once you have your content, it's time to design your ebook. You can use a free tool like Canva to create a professional-looking ebook cover and interior design. Step 5. Publish and sell your ebook. Finally, it's time to publish and sell your ebook. You can publish it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, or sell it on your own website. And since you only had to do the work once, you can sell your ebook over and over again, generating a steady stream of passive income. And that's a wrap on this video. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to turn your ideas into passive income, look no further than ChatGPT. With this powerful tool, you can write and sell ebooks in just 5 minutes. That's right, 5 minutes. Whether you're an aspiring author or just looking for a side hustle, ChatGPT has got you covered. So why wait? Start using ChatGPT today and start earning that sweet, sweet passive income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.